Do you need a rooftop cargo carrier? Do you need a very reliable and affordable rooftop cargo carrier? Today, I'm reviewing Suparee's rooftop cargo carrier. This is a 19 cubic foot rooftop cargo carrier. It's got 8 adjustable straps. It's really nice because it's waterproof, and I've loaded this up with luggage, and we've headed from Tennessee to Siesta Key. Today I'm going to be doing a review and showing you how I installed this rooftop cargo carrier and the features and all that good stuff. Before we start today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. If you have a question, put it in the comments. If you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and where you're from. Today you're watching Taddy Digest, and today we're reviewing the rooftop cargo carrier made by Suparee. Got a nice bag to carry this in. This is nice. Let's see what we got. Looks like there's plenty of room in here. So this right here is the rooftop cargo carrier, and this is the mesh and some instructions. I love instructions. Easy to use. Side rails, crossbars, easy installation, compression straps. So easy to use, 4 steps there, and then some warnings and some cleaning and storage. And I think the storage is going to be nice with this bag here that you can keep the cargo carrier in. This right here is the mesh you put on your rooftop so that you don't have any scratches from the bag. Here is going to be a barrier in between your roof and the cargo carrier. And this right here is the mesh mat placed on top of the roof. Headed from Tennessee to Siesta Key. Look how full this rooftop cargo carrier is. I've got lots of room for plenty of luggage, and this thing is pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and zip up the top, and then I'm going to secure the straps and get ready to take a trip. About 13 hours, so we're gonna see how this luggage looks when we open it back up. All right, so I added a couple beach chairs, some shoes, and now we're gonna zip it up. There's a zipper on this side right here, and then there's a zipper on the other side, and those 2 zippers will meet right there to the rear of the vehicle, on the back of the vehicle there. Zippers meet right there in the middle. It's all zipped up, and then there's Velcro, so you can fold this flap down so it makes it more waterproof. Beautiful. Looks good. All right, now we've got our straps, and here's our rails. So just take it and fold it underneath there. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Or, well, I had to. There are 8 straps on this rooftop cargo carrier. There are 2 for the front, 2 for the side, and 2 for the rear, 2 for the back here. You can see 8 total, 4 on each side of this rooftop cargo carrier. So we've got them all strapped. Now we've got to adjust the straps and make sure this is nice and tight so it doesn't fly off when we start driving. Yay. Tighten all the straps on one side before you go to the other side to tighten those straps. Check out the rainbows. We're almost there. Not. We made it to Chattanooga. We're gonna take it easy and stop for the night and then start back in the morning. It did rain, and so far it's doing pretty good. Well, looks like the luggage made it and no one stole the luggage. But if you were concerned about somebody stealing it, you could just take and pull these zippers together and then put a lock right here, and that way somebody can't unzip it. Love this little storage bag here. I'm ready to relax and enjoy my vacation. We're here, so let's take this off of the top of the roof and let's get it back in the bag. Let's see how easy that is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straps on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I find the rest of the slack around the rail, so that's gonna take me just a minute to get this loose here. Not a big deal. Just want to make sure that the slack wasn't making a lot of noise on the way here, and it didn't. All right. Got this side completely loose. And tie these
to the rail as well. Pretty affordable. You can pick this up. Link in the description for the product. This cargo carrier is going to cost you about $100. I think that's pretty reasonable and pretty cheap because of the quality. There's a lot of room. The dimensions of this product is 48 inches long, 38 inches wide, and 18 inches tall. So it's got 18 inches of depth for you to put stuff inside. All right. Beautiful. Look at that. Got a lot of luggage in here. All right. Ready to unzip it. Oops. We put a lot of luggage in this thing. All right. Ooh, that's hot. All right. Put that right there. All right. More luggage. All right. You see, this is all the luggage that was in there. Got a little more room. Could have put more luggage in there, but uh-oh, got one more connected. And there's a slip resistant mat. How did I get this stuck in? Come on now. All right, this is the rest of the luggage. Now, let's say just fold this over a couple times, like that. Grab the storage bag. It should fit right in here. Let's see if this professional folding job that I did works. All right. Wow. It fits right in there like a glove. All right. Go pick this up. $100 online. Super affordable. That's beautiful. Woo! Suparee. Check it out online. Link in the description. Thanks for watching the Suparee Rooftop Cargo Carrier review. Go pick one up online. $100, super cheap. Lots of room for your luggage and will fit most vehicles. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell before you leave. You've been watching Taddy Digest, and this is the review.